Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Sri Krishna's spouses and what each one of them said to an inquisitive Draupadi. When Krishna's spouses, except for Satyabhama, who was away along with Sri Krishna, and the spouses had gone to Indraprastha and were received by Draupadi, who was however inquisitive, how they felt being espoused by Sri Krishna. And here is what each one of them replied. Rukmini, I seek the lotus feet of my Lord, the repository of prosperity and beauty, and be blessed to worship him. Jambavati, holding on to his lotus feet, I want to be his slave birth after birth. Kalindi, daughter of sun god. Once, Sri Krishna and Arjuna went to the Yamuna, where they saw a maiden. Arjuna, that is Falguna, queried who she was. She said she was the daughter of the sun god and was praying for becoming the spouse of Lord Sri Krishna. Her name was Kalindi. As a result, Sri Krishna picked her up, and back in Dwaraka, the Lord espoused Kalindi on a day when the planets cast a favorable influence. To Draupadi's query, Kalindi said she was privileged to clean and sweep her Lord's house. Mitravinda, daughter of the king of Avanti. She had set her mind on Sri Krishna. In an assembly of kings for her to choose as her life partner, Sri Krishna vanquished all those kings and carried her away as desired by her. Mitravrinda's two brothers, Vinda and Anuvinda, who were the rulers of Avanti, wanted to follow the desire of Duryodhana and so tried to stop Sri Krishna, but were worsted in a fight. Mitravinda replied to Draupadi that she wished to continue washing his lotus feet forever. Next spouse, Satya, daughter of the king of Kosala. Nagnajit was the very pious king of Kosala and had a daughter by name Satya, who was also called Nagnajiti. In the capital Ayodhya, the king had arranged for the princess to wed one who would tame 7 well-built bulls. Sri Krishna was mentally worshipped by Satya and could get him as her spouse after Sri Krishna easily tamed all the bulls. The king had celebrations and Brahmanas uttered benedictions. The king gave away on that occasion to her daughter 10,000 newly calved cows and 3,000 finely dressed young maid servants, as well as 9,000 elephants. Several more chariots and horses. Her desire expressed to Draupadi was to be able to serve her Lord forever. Bhadra, princess of Kegaya. She was the daughter of Sri Krishna's father's sister, Vasudeva's sister, Frudakirti. She was offered as the spouse of Sri Krishna by her brother, Sandardhana, in order to fulfill her cherished desire. She said to Draupadi, I only yearn to touch my Lord's lotus feet, birth after birth, whatever be my karma phala, fruits of my actions. Now, Srudakirti, Shurasena and wife Maricha had 10 sons, the eldest son being Vasudeva. They had 5 daughters, Pritha, that is Kundi, Srudeva, Srudakirti, Sudasrava, Rajadi Devi. Surasena gave Pritha into adoption to his friend Kundi, King Bhoja, who had no issues. Prita was since called Kunti. Lakshmana, daughter of the king of Madra. So, Madri. In order to fulfill her desire, Sri Krishna carried her away from the assembly of princes who had come to win her hand. Prior to that, Sri Krishna had to shoot an arrow precisely at the target. That was the reflection of a hidden fish in the water, following the failure of many a king to hit the target. Greatest warriors like Jarasandha, Shishupala, the king of Ambasta, Bhima, Duryodhana, Karna, and others could not accomplish what Sri Krishna could. Lakshmana was escorted in Sri Krishna's chariot driven by Daruka, and Sri Krishna's arrows from Saranga bow kept at bay those jealous suitors who had failed but who dared to chase Sri Krishna. To Draupadi, Lakshmana replied that her mind was set on Sri Krishna, whose stories and greatness were sung constantly by Narada, and she was feeling blessed to be part of his maidservants. Rohini spoke on behalf of all the 16,000 maidens released by Sri Krishna from the captivity of Naraka. We will see about Naraka a little later. To Draupadi, Rohini said, "We all desire to bear on our head the dust of our Lord's lotus feet that exude the fragrance of the saffron on the bosom of Sri Lakshmi." Now we come to Naraka. Narakasura Vatham. Naraka, son of Mother Earth, Bhumi Devi, was unleashing atrocities on gods, snatched away Varuna's umbrella, plucked away Indra's mother Aditi's precious earrings. Sri Krishna, accompanied by Satyabhama, proceeded on the back of Garuda and smashed the fortress of Naraka. Hearing the sound of the Pajajanya that reverberated through the three worlds, the five-headed Panjashira, Daman, Nura, came out from underwater, dared stop Sri Krishna and engage in a fierce exchange of shafts. And finally, Sri Krishna lopped off all the five heads. Then came Naraka, that is Bhaumasura, from his city of Pragjyotisapura on an elephant's back and was accompanied by his generals. They met their end soon, and Naraka started his violent attack using shafts, lance, and pike, but was soon killed by Sri Krishna's unfailing disgust. Upon Mother Earth's plea, the life of Naraka's son Bhagadatta was spared. He restored the earrings to Aditi along with the crest of Mount Mandara, that is Mahamani or Mani Parvata, and the umbrella to Indra, the ruler of Varuna and others. For the sake of planting in Satyabhama's pressure garden in Dwaraka, and on her insistence, Sri Krishna took a Parijata tree from Indra's garden, even though it involved a fight with Indra, who had to meekly surrender. Over 16,000 maidens kept in confinement by Naraka after defeating kings sought shelter from Sri Krishna, whom they adored, and individually had been nursing a desire to be his spouse. That is how Rohini, on behalf of all of them, happened to respond to Draupadi's query. Sri Krishna arranged to escort them all to Dwaraka along with elephants with 4 tusk, chariots drawn by swift-footed horses, and they were all sheltered in different chambers. Bhaumasura, Asura born of Bhumi, he was born as a result of the Almighty as a boar, having uplifted the earth, holding Mother Earth, Bhumi Devi, in his hands, close to the bosom. Bhumi Devi's prayer to Sri Krishna, Namaste Deva Devesha, Shangajakra Gadadhara, Bhakte Chobata Rubhaya, Paramatman Namostute, Namapangaja Nabhaya, Namapangaja Maline, Namapangaja Netraya, Namaste Pangajangriye, Namo Bhagavate Tubhyam, വാസുദേവായ വിഷ്ണവേ പുരുഷായാദി ബീജായ പൂർണ്ണഭൂതായ നമഃ. Sri Krishna, who killed Mura, the demon, got the name Murari. Sri Krishna Krishna, Sri Krishna Krishna, Sri Krishna Krishna. Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagan Namaste. Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari. Srinatha Narayana Vasudeva. Sarvatra Govinda Nam Sankirtana Govinda Govinda Lokavajana Sugino Bhavantu.